Hello and welcome to the caravan. In this short video we're going to look at another of Alde's very useful accessories, the outside temperature sensor. As well as being useful for us, in so much as the outside temperature is displayed on the control panel, the sensor actually works in conjunction with the system, so that if the outside temperature drops, it will turn on the heating before the inside temperature starts to drop, thus keeping things constant. The outside temperature sensor is very easy to fit, as it's simply plug and play. When fitting the sensor, make sure it's away from any heat source or draft. I attached ours to the inside of a chassis rail using double-sided tape. When the outside temperature sensor has been connected to the Alde system and the control panel turned on, you will see the outside temperature displayed at the bottom of the home screen. It's also displayed on the main function screen. If you check the displayed temperature against an accurate thermometer and find that there's a discrepancy, there is an offset function on the control panel. Press the menu button twice. Go to page 2 of 3 in the settings menu and select Sensor Calibration. If the temperature displayed is higher than the actual temperature, move the button to the left, a negative figure, or if lower, to the right, a positive figure. You can also do this to adjust the inside temperature display. Press the menu button twice to return to the home screen. As always, I hope that you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.